There were kids 8 and 9 years old that were sniffing airplane glue to get high on. These kids are responsible for turning musicians on a lot of things they never knew about, actually. So I had a fantasy how it happened. Kid is alone in his room. It's Saturday. Kid is played by George McCready. Well, let's see now. I'm all alone in the room, and it's Saturday. I'll make an airplane. That's what I'll do. I'll make a Lancaster, good structural design. I'll get the balsa wood here, cut it out, sand it off. Now I'll get a little airplane glue. I'll rub it on the rag, and, hey, now. Oh, I'm getting loaded. Is this possibly loaded on airplane glue? Maybe it's stuffy in here. I'll call my dog over. Philippa, come here, darling, and smell this rag. Smell it, you freaky little doggy. Smell the rag, Philippa. He's up there. I've done it. I'm the Louis Pasteur of junkiedom. Out of my skull for 10 cents. Well, there's much work to be done now. Horses' hooves to melt down. Noses to get ready. Cut to the toy store. Any toy store. Any neighborhood. Kid walks in.
Hello, Schindler. Nice the way you got here. Give me a nickel's worth of pencils, big boy tablet, some juju beans, tailspin Tommy book, and 2,000 tubes of airplane glue.
I hope you can sleep tonight, Mr. Lee Page.